Welcome to our video exploring the fascinating world of AI-powered robotics. In this exciting journey, we'll dive into the incredible progress made in artificial intelligence and robotics. These advancements have unlocked endless opportunities for us to explore. Come with us as we uncover the magic of AI and take a peek into the future of robotics. AI and robotics have captivated human minds for a long time. Over the years, we've seen these fields grow and change in amazing ways. Today, we're on the brink of a new era where robots with AI are changing the game. Remember when robots were mainly used on assembly lines? Now, they're doing so much more. They can help doctors with surgery, go to places that are too tough for humans, and even have smart conversations. These AI-powered robots are getting better and smarter. The secret behind these cool improvements is artificial intelligence. By giving robots strong computer programs and the ability to learn, think, and interact with the world, we're helping them become super smart. This combo makes them more independent and better at solving problems. Robots use their eyes, computer vision, to see and understand what's around them. This helps them move around tricky places, spot objects, and even get human gestures. With language skills, natural language processing, robots can understand and respond to what people say. This opens the door to teamwork between humans and robots. And thanks to machine learning, robots can learn from their experiences, get better over time, and handle different tasks. From medicine to farming, factories to space, AI-powered robots are making a big difference. They can help us do things faster and better. They can work non-stop, figure out lots of information really fast, and solve tough problems in just a few seconds. This leads to exciting discoveries and new things. Picture a world where robots help doctors do surgery perfectly, self-driving cars change how we travel, and they help us take care of the planet by saving energy. The sky's the limit. But as we explore this amazing world of AI-powered robots, we need to think about important stuff too. Questions about privacy, jobs, and letting robots do things on their own need answers. We have to make sure that robots are developed and used responsibly, so they're good for both people and machines. The growth of AI-powered robots is going to change our world in ways we're just starting to understand. As we keep exploring, we need to work together, scientists, engineers, and people who make the rules. We can shape where this goes and make sure it helps us all. Join us as we discover the endless possibilities of AI-powered robots. Together, let's build a future where amazing ideas and kindness work together. This will lead to big achievements and make life better for everyone. How far can we go? The answer is up to us. We can push the limits and explore AI-powered robot terror. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. I'll see you next time, my friends. Until then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thanks a lot.